Hello kids, welcome to Fun Learning. Hope you are hale and hearty. Today we will learn about sounds and make learning fun. I will narrate a story for you. Settle down fast and listen to me properly. On a Christmas day, Kasaila went to hospital and entered the X-ray lab. Kasaila wanted to get an X-ray for his father's hand. At the hospital gate, Kasaila saw a big truck that is called X-ray truck. It was scanning the loaded trucks. While coming back from the hospital, Kasaila saw a big aquarium in the market in which X-ray fish was swimming. On reaching home, Kasaila decorated Christmas tree with colorful and shining stars, balloons, and celebrated the Christmas festival. So kids, you learned names of different pictures like X-ray, Christmas tree, X-ray truck, X-ray fish. Now, can you tell me what is the first sound of these pictures? Yes, it is kiss. It is kiss. Here we can see capital X and small x, and the sound of X is kiss. Sound of X is kiss. Trees are big and trees are small. Xmas tree is the best of all. Trees are big and trees are small. Xmas tree is the best of all. Trees are big and the trees are small. Xmas tree is the best of all. With this, we completed the fun learning of phonetics. Links of other videos are given in description box. Open them and learn with fun. Please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications on new amazing learning videos. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.